factory Taiha provides custom metal parts and non-standard part function and cost optimizations well. Taiha has a proud PMC management team who arranges orders with very scientific management tools and can prioritize meet your urgent delivery time. Various surface treatments can be done, such as plating for gold, silver, galvanizing tin, nickel, dacrymate, powder coat, anodizing, sandblasting, brushed, polishing. Taiha has advanced and high-end testing equipment, a 3-dimensional measuring instrument, 2-dimensional measuring instrument, salt spray tester, UV resistance tester, colorimeter measurement. All processes are executed according to completed QC system. For example, IQC, IPQC, FQC, OQC. What's more, Taiha places great importance on organizational structure, responsibilities, processes, standards, innovation, and employee welfare. Annual turnover rate of employees below 1%, maintains a highly stable workforce, reduces the occurrence of anomalies. Taiha is able to ensure stable quality, on-time delivery, and fluid communication. Welcome to cooperate with us.